Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the right seller plan and gathering the documents Amazon requires. This speeds the process. Have your government ID, bank account, and credit card ready, plus tax info like SSN or EIN. Once done, pick the marketplace country and preferred currency so listings and payouts match. Then sign in or create an Amazon account and click Register as a seller. Follow prompts and verify your email and phone to move immediately into product setup. Next, fill out your seller profile thoroughly because buyers trust complete pages. You must enter legal business address, a clear display name, and return policy. Upload identity documents for verification. Amazon reviews photo ID and a bank statement or utility bill, so use consistent details. Then add product listings. Include UPC or GTIN, create SKUs, upload high-quality images and clear descriptions, set pricing, and choose fulfillment. Fulfillment by merchant or fulfillment by Amazon, so inventory and shipping work correctly. Finally, finish the tax interview, accept Amazon selling policies, and confirm payout settings so your account goes live. Once listings publish, monitor account health, order metrics, and customer messages to prevent suspensions. If Amazon requests additional verification or flags a listing, respond immediately with accurate documents and explanations. Delays cause holds. One troubleshooting tip: if verification stalls, open a case with seller support. Include clear scans and a brief timeline, and follow up daily until the restriction is lifted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.